Greetings, today we are building a custom LEGO piano. Let's begin with a 2x6 plate by attaching each of the 4 1x2 grill tiles directly in the center. Take the 1x1 plates and attach one on the top left and the other on the top right of the 2x6 plate. Now take the 1x1 30-degree slopes and place each right below the 1x1 plates. Then attach the 1x6 tile to the 1x1 plates. Grab the 1x2 plate with bar handle and snap each of the 1x2 plates with clip like so. Attach the 2x2 tile to the 1x2 plates with clip. Then flip the piano keyboard over and attach to the bottom of the 2x6 plate. Let's straighten the 2x2 tile so that it's in a 90-degree position to the piano keyboard. Once again, flip the keyboard over and attach each of the 1x2x2 panels on opposite sides of the 2x6 plate. In step 2, let's build our stool and microphone stand. Place the 1x1 stud to the top of the 2x2 truncated cone, then place the 2x2 round plate on top. Take the 3L bar and attach the bar holder with clip to one end. Snap the microphone in place. And finally attach to the top of the round 2x2 with open stud. And there you have it, time to make some music. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.